Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and sound in this period and studying well at your home. With proceeding further from our previous video, we were discussing about the exercise 2 that was based on the exponents and powers. So by the last video, we have discussed up to the question number 4. Today we are going to discuss with the question number 5 and onward. So I am taking here from the exercise one question. You can see here question number 5, third part. Here we have already studied about the laws of the exponents. Now apply those laws here. We can see here minus sign is there. So just inverse minus 1 powers, check the powers, minus 1. Solve it. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6. Divide sign. Just convert the power in the positive. While we will convert, it will be reciprocal. Now take the LCM of this bracket. The LCM will be 12, 6 minus 3 minus 2 bracket. Now we can convert this divide sign in the multiplication sign. And 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. Simply first we will focus on the powers, then apply the laws of the exponents, and accordingly that make the equation simple and start to solve. 6 minus 5, that is 1 upon 12, multiply 4 upon 9, 4 3 are 12, that is 1 upon 27. So dear students, in a simple way, don't take panic, in a simple way we can solve. Just focus on the powers first. Convert, if the powers is given in the negative, convert it in the positive by applying the law, and make the equation, given equation, simple, and then start to solve. So this is the question. Once again we are explaining it. 2 to the power minus 1, convert it, 1 upon 2, minus sign, 4 to the power minus 1, 1 upon 4, minus sign again, and minus 1 upon power is the minus 1, 1 upon 6, divide 3 upon 2 will the power will be positive and it will become 2 upon 3. So dear students, check here. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6, take LCM. One mistake is there, divide sign. So while we are converting the divide sign into the multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal once again here. So you just do one thing, make the divide sign here first. In the next step, 1 upon 12 multiply 9 upon 4, that is 9 upon 48, or we can convert, we can cut it by 3 and 3 upon 16. This is the correct answer. Such kind of the mistakes oftenly happen while we are taking two steps at a one time. Two steps means we are converting the divide into the multiplication and we are forgetting to take the reciprocal here. So such kind of the mistakes generally students do while the solving the exam the questions. Now proceeding further, I hope so you all understood. Let us take another question number 6. Take the simple part, any part, third part. Brackets are playing an important role here. So while you are using the bracket, also pay attention on the bracket, how to solve bracket, minus 2, and this power is for this curly bracket, this one, the whole power minus 1. Divide sign, the question was 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1. See the students, again divide sign is here, minus power is there, so don't take two steps together, otherwise it could be possible for the mistakes. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3, just pay attention on the powers, all powers are in negative, just convert 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 curly bracket minus 1. Right now we will write here minus 1. Do step by step, one by one. Don't take any kind of the panic. We are directly doing, we are leaving one or two steps. No. Sufficient time is there. Divide sign, 4 to the power 1. Now solve this one. 2 to the power 3, 8. 3 to the power 2, 9. Minus 1. Now we can convert multiply sign and the reciprocal of 4. 9 plus 8, 17 to the power minus 1, multiply 1 upon 4. Now convert this minus power 1 upon 17, multiply 1 upon 4, and then finally 1 upon 68. That is the right answer. Hope you understood. Now solving further. If you have any doubt, then you can discuss in the classroom. Check each and every step by pausing the video so that you can understood nicely. Take another question, question number 8. Let us take any part, B part. I am taking here B part. By what number should minus 6 upon 5 is to the power minus 2 be divided? By what number this minus 6 upon 5? Read the statement carefully so that there will not be any chance for mistake. By what number? Once again I am reading. By what number should this be divided? The strong word is by, by. By what number this be divided so that the quotient is 3 upon 5 to the power minus 1. You can write here also, let the required number be x. Now ATQ means according to the question. This is the expression. Now solve it and find the value of x. That will be our appropriate answer. Once again the same laws, minus power, minus power. Minus 5 upon 6 to the power 2. Make the equation easy first. 5 upon 3 to the power 1. Converting the minus power in the positive, then we are taking reciprocal. Minus square, that is plus, 5 square, that is 25, 6 square, 36, multiply sign, reciprocal, 5 upon 3. Now simply find the value of x. X is equal 25 multiply 1 multiply 3 upon 36 multiply 5. X equal 5 5 ja 3 12 ja. The right answer is 5 upon 12. Keep remember the one thing, we have to focus on the given statement in the question and accordingly that make a right equation. Once you prepare a right equation, automatically the answer will be correct. Hope so. You got it? Any doubt? We will clear in the classroom. Last question of this, question number 9, this exercise. 4 parts are given there. Let us take any one example, one question. Second part I am taking here. 3 to the power 2x plus 1 multiply 3 square is equal 3 to the power 5. Question says find the value of x. We have to find out this value. This value we have to find out. Now check, multiplication is there, bases are same. Keep remember about the laws of the exponent. Bases are same. So what we will do? We will add powers. By applying the law, the bases are same, powers will be added. Once the powers will be added, 3 to the power 2x plus 3 is equal 3 to the power 5. On the left hand side, base is 3, right hand side, base is 3, equal sign is there, both the terms are equal. While the bases are equal, then powers will automatically be equal. Therefore, 2x plus 3 is equal 5. Simply find the value of x. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then x is equal 1. So such kind of the questions. I am taking one question from each type of the question so that it will be easy to understand you. And you can solve the exercise without any kind of the hurdle. So dear students, exercise 2 is over here. Now we are proceeding with the exercise, revision exercise just after this page number 40. Question number 5 to last, that is 11. Some of you are asking me on my personal WhatsApp number, sir, we have to do all the questions, all the parts. So it is good for you. And if the teacher is mandating it, that you should do all the questions, all the part, each and every, even not all the exercise, not from the exercise. You have to focus also on the examples given in the book. So hope you will do all type of the question. Here I am taking one question, question number 6 from the revision exercise, page number 40. Question number 6, second part. I am taking those kind of the questions here. Generally the students are asking again and again, so that you should not have any kind of the problem. Minus 4 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 2, curly braces closed, divide sign, curly braces start, minus 5 to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon 6 to the power minus 2. Now check, all the powers are in negative. Very easy. This question is very easy. You see how? 4 to the power 4, reciprocal of 1 upon 4. 3 to the power 3, reciprocal of 1 upon 3. 2 to the power 2, curly braces. Divide sign, don't convert it right now here as a negative, multiplicative. 1 upon 5 to the power minus 1, that is 5 to the power 1. 6 to the power 2. Solve each curly braces. 4 to the power 4, 256. You have to keep remember about the squares of 1 to 25. The last year I have given the summer vacation homework, so that you can save the time. 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, divide sign, 5 plus 36. Now add all. 7, 4, 11, 6, 17. Carry 1. 5, 1, 6, 7, 8. And then 2. Now you can use here multiply and just reciprocal of 41, that is 1 upon 41. Now divide 287 divided by 41. Is it a standard form of rational number? You just check. We can cut it. 41 is a prime number. 41 7 ja, I think so. 7 1 7, yes. It is 7 and that is 7. It is the right answer. All kind of the questions are just similar. One more question I am watching here. Now see after this question. Question number 9, third part. Yesterday one student was asking me 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x is equal 192. For your kind information, in the last year or before the last year, this question was in the question paper in the examinations. So pay attention. 4 to the power x. Make it easy. Let 4 to the power x be a. Convert this one. A plus, again a plus a is equal 192. 3a is equal 192. A is equal 192 upon 3. A is equal 3 6 ja and 3 4 ja, 64. Put the value of a once again here. 4 to the power x equals 64. 4 to the power x, make the factor of 64 with the base 4, because we have to equalize the bases, then only we can equalize the powers. So 6 to the 64 means 4 to the power 3. Now x is equal 3. So dear students, hope all kind of the questions we have already discussed here, and in next class we will proceed further the chapter 4. If you will not have any kind of the doubt, in the next class we will see the doubts, and after that class we will start the chapter 4, and that chapter will be, I am telling you, that chapter will be direct and inverse variations. So after this exponent and powers, just ready for the direct and inverse variations. Thank you class. Thank you very much.